Okay, so I've chopped up all my mesh and, attached it to the midsection temporarily, just taped it on, just to see how it's going to look. I may have to chop it up even more, so it's a little bit more smooth going around, because I've basically chopped it up into 8 sections or something. So you have three round the back and on each side, so 6 basically around the back and a couple around the front. And I'm just well, I got my template, so I'll put it back on the template and just make sure it all kind of fits. And then I'll start riveting it together. But the main thing is to make sure that it's all kind of nice and neat looking and not too shabby. Because I can add all the shabbiness later, but I really just got to try and make sure I get this right, because I've only got so much mesh and I don't want to waste it. So really I'm just going to attach when I'm ready, I'm going to just attach the slats to the mesh, like so, we're using this principle. And but in the meantime, I'm just going to join the mesh sections together, because it's all in sections, and just join it together with a couple of rivets and some washers. And once that's all together, then it's just a question of putting the actual slats on, and that will be pretty much it for the whole slat mesh belt, which is ultimately the plan, really, is to just have this whole thing fixed on as a belt that can be removable. So I'm just hoping that this will work, and if it doesn't, then what I should do is just a question of how I attach the belt. I haven't quite figured that out yet, but maybe some Velcro or a couple of screws or whatever.